I went for the recent Spider Man movie and I suddenly got an idea to paint the Marvel superhero series. So, obviously, the first one in the series is the Spider Man. I already have the base paint and the sketch done, so let's get to add the details for this. सबसे पहले हम वाइट कलर ऐड करेंगे ऑन द बॉडी ऑफ द स्पाइडरमैन टू गिव एन इफेक्ट ऑफ लाइट फॉलिंग ऑन इट्स बॉडी एंड देन हम ऐड करेंगे ब्राइट रेड कलर बिकॉज द स्पाइडरमैन इज़ रेड. Then we mix the bright and the dark part so that the colors don't look separate. Adding white color to show that light is falling on the Spider-Man. Adding some more bright red color. Mix it well so that colors separated na lage. Adding white color to the edges of the body of the Spider-Man gives an effect and also makes the Spider-Man stand out in the painting. Keep adding the red color unless and until you feel that yeah, it's the right color of red for Spider-Man. For the eyes, first paint it with black. If needed, put extra layers of black. Adding a bit of light blue on the lower half as well to give again a good effect of light. For the eyes of the Spider-Man, let's add some white within the section where we have already painted black. Let's add some blue in the white section to give it a good effect. Now I'm adding the lines on the red section of the Spider-Man. For the face, the lines should start in the middle and go towards the outside so that it gives the Spider-Man effect. Now adding horizontal lines. अब जहाँ भी हमने ब्लैक लाइंस की है उसके इंटरसेक्शन पे हम वाइट कलर ऐड करेंगे टू गिव द इफेक्ट ऑफ स्पाइडर वेब। Repeat the same for the entire body of the Spider-Man. Some more white to the eyes of the Spider-Man so that उसमें shine दिखे। आउटर एजेस ऑफ द आईज में भी हमें थोड़ा वाइट ऐड करना पड़ेगा। Now according to the spider web design, we will add little dark color. I added some web pattern in the background and this is how it finally looks. Like and subscribe my channel.